Hello everyone, my name is Brian. In today's video we're going to be making a skateboard rack. But more importantly, and not just a skateboard rack, we're going to be showing you how to use knockdown hardware called cross dowels. The motivation for this idea is that we don't want to ship this project at its full size. Instead we want to pack it flat like you see in the picture, and then we want to ship that so that we reduce the volume for shipping. In the next picture you can see the joinery where the boards come together, and here you can see the cross dowel, and we're going to start off this project by making the horizontal rail or the cross piece with the CNC machine. Here you can see a picture of the cross dowel and the problem we have before us. We need to drill a hole in the face of the board to put the cross dowel, and a hole in the end grain of the board, and all the way through to the cross dowel for alignment. We do this by using the fixture or jig. In this next video clip, we're going to make the uprights, or this part that holds the skateboards. We now finished making all of our parts, and in the next step we're going to assemble the skate rack. This is what our customer will be doing when they received it in the mail. If you'd like to make this project yourself, we have a dimension drawing on our website at builditnotes.com. You can also pick this up on our Etsy site or in person at our Bubboard Skate Park in Greensboro, North Carolina.